It's 7:22. I already made my son's breakfast and made his lunch last night, so I'm just making me some coffee. It was so hard to get out of the bed this morning. Like, I'm so tired. Then I couldn't find my other earring like this, so I got bitch match earrings today. It is what it is. Don't judge me. But I do got a little new backdrop to record my video, so I'm kind of excited about that. But yeah. Good morning, y'all.
Hi, Mom.
Good morning, y'all.
Good morning, y'all.
What you doing?
Watching TV.
What are you watching?
Peppa Pig.
And what are you doing? You're eating
Yes, sausage.
breakfast.
You got cookie.
That is breakfast.
Oh,
there aren't any muddy puddles.
How old are you?
I wish so.
9.
We are jumping. Rabbits are the best at jumping. Watch this. Well done, Rebecca. But that's not
My naughty cat always doing some Simba. Simba. See my background? I did this yesterday. Use setting spray.
I like the hair cup.
Yeah.
Yeah. Only had these.
For a long time.
I didn't know to make these. What?
Yesterday it was easier. Hopefully this one comes out okay. Seems like it doesn't really stick yeah, it got kind of stuck, but it is what it is. Greenish color. Liner moments. It's 8 o'clock. Knucklehead. There's the look. Now I have to get dressed and do my hair, and I'll be back. Alright guys, here's the completed look, including the lip. What do you guys think? Thanks for watching. Bye.